you're hooking up the alarm system. I already went and hooked up my number one yellow, the white and black for the tail light, and I have my power hooked up, red to the positive and black to the negative of the battery. So I'm just taking the second one. I was just going to use terminal connectors, but I might go fancy and solder these all together. Well, I'm going to have to go a little fancier than I thought. The terminal connectors that I don't have the other female ends for those, so that's good. If you guys are curious about what I'm doing, I have a video about soldering. You guys can check out. I'll probably have a link in one of these corners. Could be right here. You never know. I guess solder would be a good thing to have while soldering. I'm just hooking my number 2 yellow cable to my headlights. I had to solder this together because I didn't have the right terminals, or the female terminals. But, so I'm going to be taking this blue terminal and I'll be sliding this cable in here. That cable in there. That cable is all the way in. So now, I'll grab my headlights and test this. Technically, I'm gonna click this. There we go. Front and back.